Now I've got a problem with a leaky bath, so I would appreciate some advice on the best direction to take in terms of what work can I do to fix this leaky bath. So basically I've had issues with my bathroom, I've had issues with this bathroom where it's been leaking. The silicone that was done has kind of undone. It's moved. I think the bathtub has moved. So we've got water which has been gushing through for the last few months. As you can see, the bath panel is open. And if I go underneath, you might not be able to see it, but you can see that the floor is wet. Yep. The floor is wet where the pipe has been leaking. So this needs to be fixed. You can see the floor is wet as well, if possible. I'm not going to run the water because I just don't want to cause any further damage. But if you run the water, you can pretty much see the water, just gushing through. I mean, you can see that bit there, again, is degraded. Now, I've had two plumbers come in, or two builders, with experience of working in bathrooms. I've had two different opinions. One of the opinions was that the cracks in this grout, as you can see, they've got cracks in the grout, could be causing the dampness in the wall. You see the difference there? And then you can see there's cracks here as well. You can feel that. I mean, one of the plumbers said, look, you've got cracks, it's possible some water is being absorbed through the wall, but not severe enough to be critical. Another plumber said, I cannot work on this bathroom till we remove the grouts and the tiles from the wall. And if they move the bathtub, the tiles might fall down, which sounded a bit dramatic to me because the bath has been, I've had plumbers come in here and no one else has mentioned that. But as you know, these things do cost money and I don't want to spend money on it necessarily if that does not need to be done. I do recognize that the cracks in the grout does need to be fixed, but could it be something that could be done later at some point, or should we just do everything now? So that's why I need your advice, guys. What should I do? Should I, remove the grout as well as the tiles, get it fixed now? Or can this wait another 3 years, because I'm hoping to maybe move out another 3 years. I might as well just save myself the hassle, just do it all now. But that could cost another additional 300 quid on top of the hundreds of pounds I've been quoted already, which now is coming up to almost £1,000, which can be very expensive. So what do you think? One plumber says remove the grout, another one says you don't need to remove the grout or the tiles. We can just, fix the sealant. Again, the tap's leaking. You can see the tap's dropping. That needs to be fixed. You can see the bathtub is constantly wet. I've got a combi boiler, so that cost me a lot of money. The bathtub needs to be moved to fix the sealant. Possibly the pipe here. You can see the pipe underneath also needs to be replaced. There's a flexi pipe for both the hot and cold water, which you might not be able to see, but you can see the pipe connectors there. They also need to be replaced as well, because I'm just going to show you what damage that this leakage has caused. This is the damage that the leakage has caused. You can see this is one of the rooms. You can see it's damaged the rug. It's damaged the corner of the wall. You can see that the water has been absorbing. The wall has been absorbing the water all the way to the top. It's also damaged the floorboards that I showed you in the bathroom as well, but not permanent damage that the floorboards needs to be changed. And it has damaged the kitchen downstairs as well. So painters had come to try and do some remedial works, but they were not able to do any remedial works because they were like, you need to fix the bathroom first. We didn't actually know the bathroom was leaking to the point where it caused this kind of damage. So this is why we need to fix the bathroom.